you. It's good to have you guys back again, and I'm enjoying this time. I'm enjoying the time from like homeschooling or home teaching or work from home. This has been a good time for me personally. It has been more work, but it has been a very good time for me. Today, before we start a lesson, I would just like to tell you guys a story about Joshua and Caleb. Okay, maybe some of you guys already know that story. This story is from the Bible and it's a real story. And in this story, when Moses was in the wilderness, he chose 12 people. Okay, they were in the wilderness. They didn't have any place to stay, and they didn't have any place, where they can say that it's their home. So God told them that send 12 spies to Canaan. 12 spies. You know who are spies, right? सो बेसिकली स्पाइज वो होते हैं जो चुपके जाते हैं और फिगर आउट करते हैं वहाँ क्या हो रहा है, इधर क्या हो रहा है, क्या कर रहे हैं लोग. सो वो उन्हें स्पाई बोलते हैं. तो मोजेस चोज 12 spies. Okay, and these 12 people were the leaders of different groups that were under Moses. Okay, and in the Israelites camp. Now what happened was, Moses told them to, they were, for example, camping over here. Canaan was little bit far away, so these 12 spies went, okay, and they went inside Canaan and this place where they went to spy. And when they went to spy over here, Moses, before they went over there, Moses told them that what do you need to figure out. Okay, so I'll just read what Moses told them. Moses told them, you must see what kind of land it is. Okay, and whether people who are dwelling in it are strong or weak, few or many, and whether the land is good or bad, and whether the cities they are dwelling in are encamped with fortification. Means बड़े बड़े दीवार तो नहीं है जिसमें वो है वहाँ पे. Okay, and find out whether the land is rich or poor, and whether there are trees in it or not. So you guys can see Moses before they are going out, okay, for their work to spy this place. Moses is telling you have to figure these things out, whether the people are stronger over there or rich, poor. How is the land if we start cultivating? Okay, and he told them just go ahead and figure things out. How is the land? So they went in. Okay, and also they went in. They all spied for 40 days. For 40 days they were inside that fortified city, and they were spying on people. How do people work? How what are the things over there? Okay, and after 40 days they came back to Moses. Okay, these four people. So all the Israelite people, they came shouting, oh, these 12 people came. Okay, now we are gonna hear a good news about it. Okay, so what is the news they brought? So when Moses asked them, okay, Moses said, बताओ भाई क्या देखा तुमने वहां पे. So there were 10 people, 10 leaders who went over there out of 12. They said, people over there are very strong. They are very strong. And he also said that they also said that we are very weak. And but they also said ki they have good amount of food. If the land is rich, you can put anything in the soil and it's going to grow. So they were also scared, but at the same time it was a good place. They were describing it as a good place. And then they were these 10 people were saying the people over there are very huge. We will be defeated if we go inside the city. They are going to kill us, and we are going to be defeated, we are going to die. And this is what the report this 10 people brought. On the other, and then people start shouting, अरे यार हमें ऐसी जगह नहीं जाना है ऐसे है. And then all the people started saying something. At the same time, you know what happened? There were two other, Joshua and Caleb. And these two people stood up and said, please be quiet, let us talk. And they said, Let's go tomorrow. Let's go. We can capture the city. We have the capability to capture the city. And the what this 10 people saw, it's not the same what these two people saw. Joshua and Caleb said we can go and capture the city. It's people are not very strong, and it's easy for us to capture the city. In this story, and they in I mean in if you look ahead in the story, they went, they got the city, and they lived in it, and they said the city was flowing with milk and honey. It means it was very rich city. Okay, so what I really wanted you guys to understand from this story is this, that in our lives, in my life, in your lives, when we are at a certain place, we can cry about it and see it from a very low perspective. Oh, ऐसा ही है तो है, होता है यार, ये online classes ही ऐसी है यार, है ना? And our perspective can be very very bad and negative. है ना? At the same time, you can enjoy, है ना? Even if you're staying at home with your mom and dad all throughout the day, you don't have any other place to go, you can still see through a different perspective and say, this is a good time. And I'm enjoying with my parents. I'm having fun with my parents. And the perspective can be different. But, God should be in the picture. If God is with me, then everything is beautiful. If God is on my side, there's nothing that can harm me. If God is on Joshua and Caleb's side, they said, if God is on our side, then nobody can defeat us. We can go and get the city. Same with you. God is with you. God is with me. God is with each one of you who are looking at this video. And today, your perspective, and those 10 people who brought this perspective of कि हम तो ऐसे ही रह जाएंगे, हम तो हार जाएंगे, है ना? हम पे वैसे रोने वाला perspective भी होता है, हर चीज़ को लेके, पढ़ाई को लेके, है ना? एक एक चीज़ को लेके, है ना? कभी मम्मी ने आपको कुछ लाके नहीं दिया और किसी और को लाके दे दिया है, तब भी हमारा हमेशा perspective बहुत नेगेटिव रहता है ना? But today we have an option to see things from a different perspective. अगर हमारे पास दूसरा perspective है and that's positive, the steps that you're going to take is going to be positive. Joshua said we can capture the city, and they were able to capture the city. There are so many things in your life that you think, I won't be able to do that. This is not good, that is not good. But let me tell you one thing today, that you can capture anything that is hard for you, because God is with you. And you're stronger more than you think. You're much more stronger than you think right now. You just think that I'm just scoring this much in maths, only 33, that is passing mark. No, you're much more stronger. You all can do whatever you have aimed for. You all can see with a good perspective. So I would just encourage you this morning that, change your perspective, everyone. You might have two different perspectives to look. But I would say choose the positive one. If you choose the positive one, you'll move with a positive attitude in life. Okay. Thank you guys for listening to this. Before I start any lecture on maths or teach you guys anything, I just wanted you guys to understand this, how our perspective can be different. And you can be a change in this world by changing your own perspective. Good morning, class 9th. Today we'll be looking at some of the questions from exercise 18.2 so that it can be a help for you guys for homework. And this video, you guys, if you're watching today, you guys can also watch tomorrow, because there are some questions that I have given or done in this video in order for you guys to do the questions that are going to come tomorrow also as a homework. So that's what I have done in the same video. You can watch today also and tomorrow also the same video. It's going to help you guys a lot. So here we start. We are going to do question number 12 and the third part, okay, the last part of question number 12. So the last part of question number 12 says sine square 34 degree plus sine square 56 degree plus 2 tan 18 degree tan 72 degree minus cot 32 cot square 30 degree. Now you know what, before doing this question I would like to just go through some of the topics that we have already done. And some of the topics that we have already done is this, like I just want you guys to remember that sine theta can also be written as 1 upon cosec theta. You guys all agree with me? And cosec theta can also be written as 1 upon sine theta. Okay, we have done this. And why I'm telling you this, because it's going to be used in this video a lot of times. So that's why I'm just revising the things with you. And cos theta can also be written as 1 upon sec theta, and sec theta can also be written as 1 upon cos theta. I hope you guys agree with me. Okay, and then tan theta can be written as 1 upon cot theta, and cot theta can also be written as 1 upon tan theta. I hope you also agree with me in this. Now there are two more things that you guys can please have a look. Tan theta can also be written as sine theta over cos theta. Okay, and cot theta can be written as cos theta over sine theta. So these are also the two main things that you guys have to remember and keep it in your head. Okay, especially when we do this kind of questions. Okay, so you guys can have a look and please write this down in your notebook so that it's easy for you guys to solve the questions which you will be doing. And keep revising this till we are doing this exercise. Also, some of the topics, the subtopics that we are doing according to this exercise is like sine 90 minus theta can also be written as cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta can also be written as sine theta, and tan 90 minus theta can also be written as cot theta. Okay, and cot 90 minus theta can also be written as tan theta. Okay, and also cosec and sec theta के भी same होगा. Cosec 90 minus theta can also be written as sec theta, and sec 90 minus theta can also be written as cosec theta. So these are some of the things that you guys can note down in your notebooks right now as you guys are watching the video. Not so that you guys can show me your homework, it's because it's going to make the solution easy for you. Okay, it's going to make the answers easy for you when you're solving it. Okay, let's have a look over here now. Question number 12, third part. I hope everyone is ready. Okay, so it says sine 34, sine square 34. So how can I write it down? Sine square 34 degree. Okay, plus साइन को कैसे लिख सकता हूं मैं? साइन 56 को कैसे लिख सकता हूं मैं? cos स्क्वायर 90 minus 56 plus 2 tan 18 degree, and tan 72 को कैसे लिख सकता हूं मैं? cot 90 minus 72, and cot I'll just keep it like this, okay, for some time. Cot square 30 degree. Now you guys can see cos square 34 plus cos square, if you subtract this it's going to come 34 plus 2 tan 18 and cot 18. जब इसको सॉल्व करोगे आपके पास 18 आएगा, cot 18 minus cot square 30. I hope everyone is able to understand till now what I have been doing. Now if you join this, it's a formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta कितनी वैल्यू होती है आपकी? 1 प्लस 2 tan 18 इंटू cot 18. cot को कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम लोग? यहाँ ध्यान से देखना. cot को कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम लोग? cot theta can also be written as 1 upon tan theta. Okay, if you guys have a notice over here, cot theta can also be written 1 upon tan theta. So यहाँ पे cot theta है, what how am I writing? 1 upon tan 18 minus cot square 30. and this can be cancelled out. So what do I have left over here? 1 plus इधर क्या बचा 2 minus cot square 30. And when you guys go to the table that I have helped you guys to made, you guys can go to that table and figure out what is the value of cot 30. Okay, and when you figure out the value of cot 30, it's going to be root 3, पर स्क्वायर हो रहा है यहाँ पे तो स्क्वायर लगा दिया. So 1 plus 2 minus root 3 का स्क्वायर कितना होगा 3, so it's going to be 0. Okay, so that's how you do this questions. Okay, let's have a look at one more some more questions. The question that we'll be looking at is question number 13, third part. The last part I'm interested in doing because most of you guys say that it's the hardest part, so that's why I'm doing the last part of every question. 90 minus theta plus sine 90 minus theta over cos theta equals to sec square theta. So 13th question, if you read that, it says prove. When I have to prove, I can't take stuff from here to that side of the equal sign. Okay, I have to, so I'll be working on the left hand side. So this hand side I'll be working on. So tan theta, so I can write it like this, but tan 90 minus theta, how can I write tan 90 minus theta? Here it is. Tan 90 minus theta can be written as cot theta. So what I am writing over here, cot theta, plus sin 90 minus theta can also be written as cos theta over cos theta. Okay, अभी मैं left hand side ही solve कर रहा हूँ. Now if you guys see, this and this can be cancelled out. Okay, now what's gonna happen? I'm gonna put the value of tan and cot. Tan and cot की वैल्यू क्या है? tan की वैल्यू क्या है? sin over cos, और cot की वैल्यू क्या है? cos upon sin. So मैं tan की जगह क्या पुट कर रहा हूँ? sin थीटा ओवर cos थीटा, और cot की जगह क्या पुट कर रहा हूँ? cos थीटा ओवर sin थीटा, प्लस इधर 1 है. ठीक है, अब मैं इसको इधर जाके सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ. ओके, you can notice this. So sin theta and cos theta will be like this. ये ऊपर जाके रेसिप्रोकल होके ऐसे आ जाएगा. ओके, तो कितना बच जाएगा? sin स्क्वायर थीटा अपॉन cos स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस 1. ओके, जब मैं एलसीएम ढूंढूंगा तो इसके नीचे भी cos स्क्वायर थीटा आ जाएगा, इधर भी cos स्क्वायर थीटा, तो कितना हो जाएगा? sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा, और नीचे क्या आ जाएगा? एक cos स्क्वायर थीटा. अब आपको पता है इन दोनों की जब वैल्यू होती है कितनी होती है? 1. सो आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग 1 ओवर cos स्क्वायर थीटा. ठीक है, पर जब मुझे इस साइड को सॉल्व किया मैंने, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, तो इसके बराबर आनी चाहिए, आ ही नहीं रही है. ये तो 1 अपॉन कॉस है, पर मैं 1 अपॉन कॉस को क्या लिख सकता हूँ? अगर 1 अपॉन कॉस है तो क्या लिख सकता हूँ मैं? सेक थीटा. सो 1 अपॉन कॉस को मैं क्या लिख रहा हूँ? सेक थीटा, और यहाँ स्क्वायर था इसलिए स्क्वायर लगा रहा हूँ. तो आगे ना लेफ्ट हैंड साइड किसके? राइट हैंड साइड की इक्वल. Okay, so that's how you solve this type of questions. Okay, and yeah, we'll be moving ahead. We'll see question number 15th, second part as well. Let's have a look in question number 15, second part. Question number 15, second part says, okay, let's have a look in this question. Question number 15, second part. What does this has to offer us? Now cosec 90 minus theta can be written as what? Sec theta. ठीक है, जो हमने सीखा है. sin 90 minus theta can be written as what? Cos theta. तो जो भी चेंज हो सकता है, cot 90 minus theta can be written as tan theta, right? Upon cos can be written as sin theta. Sec can be written as cosec theta, and then tan theta will be as it is, plus cot theta can be written as like this, and tan 90 minus theta can be written as cot theta. Okay, so question number 15 is simplify. I just have to simplify. Now I'll see what can be cancelled out over here. This can be cancelled, so there is only 1 left over here, 1 upon 1. Okay, let's see what can be cancelled over here. So can 10 and 10 be cancelled out? Yes, 10 and 10 can be cancelled out very easily. Now there's one more thing, that sec I can change. Sec I can change as what? I'm writing it over here. Sec I can change as 1 over cos theta तो 1/cos मतलब नीचे आ गया, ओके। और ऊपर क्या बचा, cos थीटा, ओके, इंटू टेन था, टेन तो कट गया तो इसको मत लिखो। नीचे क्या है, नीचे ऑलरेडी क्या है, साइन थीटा इंटू कॉसेक थीटा। कॉसेक थीटा कितना हो जाएगा, अगर आप ध्यान दें, कॉसेक थीटा हो जाएगा 1/sin थीटा, ठीक है। और जो ये साइन है ऊपर चल जाएगा, आपको पता ही है जब हम ऐसे फ्रैक्शन करते हैं तो ये ऊपर चल जाएगा, तो ये ऊपर जाके इधर हो जाएगा साइन थीटा, ठीक है। इधर से हटा दिया मैंने। अब आप देखोगे इधर से ये कट गया, इधर से ये कट गया, बचा कितना 1/1 और उधर 1+1, तो आपका आंसर कितना आ गया 2। आपका आंसर कितना आ गया 2 आ गया। सो दैट्स हाउ यू सिंप्लीफाई, ओके। लेट्स ऑल्सो सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. Okay, question number 17. There are 3 parts. I'll be doing first part, and I hope you'll be able to do the next 2 part. Okay, but you need to understand the logic behind it. So question number 17, first part says sin 3a equals to cos a minus 6 degree, where 3a and a minus 6 are acute angle. मतलब this and this are acute angle. अब मैं आपको बताऊं, अगर मैं इसको बस थीटा लेता, अगर ये cos थीटा होता तो मैं इसको कैसे लिख सकता था, sin 3a इज इक्वल्स टू, इसको कैसे लिख सकता था, sin 90 माइनस थीटा, पर थीटा नहीं है तो क्या लिख रहा हूँ मैं, a माइनस 6 डिग्री लिख सकता हूँ ना। तो अगर ये cos थीटा होता तो मैं कैसे लिखता, sin 90 माइनस थीटा, पर थीटा नहीं है तो a ये लिख रहा हूँ मैं, ठीक है। यू गैस कैन अंडरस्टैंड। नाउ बोथ द साइड साइन एंड साइन है तो साइन को कैंसिल आउट कर दूंगा, तो मेरे पास क्या गया 3a इक्वल्स टू 90, ब्रैकेट खोलूँगा, माइनस a प्लस 6, so it's going to be 3a equals to 96 minus a, and a और a एक तरफ आ जाएगा तो 4a equals to 96, and a equals to 96 over 4, so you can cancel them out and it's going to come 4 to the 8 or 4 the 16, so a is equals to 24 degree, and that's what I had to find. I had to find the value of a. I got the value of a. Okay, are you guys getting it? Okay, let's have a look in question number 18. Question number 18 says, question 18, the very first part says cos 63 sec 90 minus theta equals to 1. Okay, I have to find the value of theta. हमें क्या ढूंढना है, थीटा की वैल्यू ढूंढनी है. So let's see what I can do. So cos 63 and this sec can be written as how, cosec theta equals to 1. Can I write it like this? Yes, I can here. Come on guys, I can write it like this. ठीक है, अब पीछे भी देख लेना, मैं अभी ये मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है इसके साथ, ये नीचे जाके डिवाइड हो जाएगा. cos 63 हमें प्रूफ नहीं करना है, तभी मैं इसको इधर शिफ्ट कर रहा हूँ. अगर यहाँ प्रूफ लिखा रहता तो मैं इसको शिफ्ट नहीं करता. इक्वल्स टू 1/cosec थीटा. नाउ दिस कैन बी रिटन एज cos 63 इज इक्वल्स टू साइन थीटा. 1/cosec थीटा कैन बी रिटन एज साइन थीटा ऑल्सो. आप पीछे चेक कर सकते हो जो मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में लिखवाया था. नाउ दिस बोथ आर सेम, सो आई कैन कंपेयर दैट थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू 63 डिग्री. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल चेंज दिस cos 63 इक्वल्स टू, इसको कैसे लिख सकता हूँ मैं, cos 90 माइनस थीटा. And if I am writing cos 90 minus theta, I can cancel cos and cos. So when I am cancelling cos and cos, what is left? 63 90 minus theta. And theta can be gone on that side, and 90 minus 63, I'll get theta is equals to 27. And that's how I do it. Okay, that's how you also have to do it. Okay, I hope you guys understood something out of this video, and hope you're gonna get help on both the days of homework in this video. Please do your homework and please send it to me. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day everyone.